Hello and welcome back to Simple-ESL and Grammar Made Simple. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about the past simple negative. So the past simple negative, we use this when we want to talk about finished actions in the past that didn't happen. So far we've learned about finished actions in the past like I watched a movie or she went to the supermarket. Today, we're going to learn the opposite, when something didn't happen. And by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to make negative sentences confidently using did not or didn't, and you'll know some very common mistakes to avoid. So let's get started. And we're going to look first at how we form the past simple negative. Let's take a look at this. Now, for most verbs, the structure is very simple. We use subject plus did not or didn't. Didn't is the contraction, so we make it shorter. In English, we like to use contractions. So subject, didn't, and the base form of the verb. The key point here is after didn't, the main verb stays the same in its base form. We do not use the past form. So we would say, I did not go to the park yesterday, or I didn't go to the park yesterday. We wouldn't say I didn't went. This is a common mistake. So the main verb stays the same after did not. It stays in its base form. So I didn't watch TV last night. Now let's take a look at the past simple negative with be. So using was and were. This is important because be is different from other verbs. With most verbs, we use didn't or did not plus the base form of the verb. But with was or were, we do not use did. Instead, we simply add not after was or were. So the structure is quite simple. It's subject, so I, you, we, they, he, she, was not or wasn't, a contraction again. So let's take a look at some examples. She was not happy or she wasn't happy. These mean the same thing. Was not is a bit formal. Wasn't is more common in speaking. We could say they were not at school or they weren't at school. One more. It wasn't sunny yesterday. So a little bit of a check here. If I say they didn't were at school, is that correct? No, because with be, we do not use did not or didn't. We would say they weren't at school yesterday. So let's take a look at these common mistakes you can make with the past simple negative. So mistakes to avoid. I didn't went to the park. What is correct here? I didn't go to the park. This is wrong because went is already in the past tense. So you can't have didn't plus a past verb. The correct sentence is I didn't go to the park. The second common mistake when using be, I didn't was tired or she didn't was tired. This is wrong because we don't use didn't with was or were. She wasn't tired is the correct answer here. With be, we just use wasn't or weren't, not didn't. So a quick summary and some things to remember here. So didn't plus the base form of the verb. I didn't go. I didn't watch. I didn't play. For wasn't, I wasn't tired. Nope, wide awake. I wasn't tired. We weren't at home. And let's practice now. Let's have a little exercise to try and reinforce this. I want you to complete the sentences with the correct negative form of the verb. He not go to the party. What could the answer be here? He wasn't not go? Were not go? Did not go. So he didn't go to the party last night. We not watch. We didn't watch the movie. They not be at home yesterday. So how do we change it with the verb to be? Do we use did not? No, we take were or was and add not. They were not at home yesterday. They weren't at home yesterday. She not eat breakfast this morning. So she didn't. She didn't eat breakfast this morning. I not do my homework. I not do my homework. I didn't do my homework. So well done if you managed to get those correct and fill in those gaps. And hopefully you're understanding how we use did not or didn't and was and were not. And we're going to try to rewrite these sentences into their past simple negative form. So remember, most verbs we would use did not and the base form of the verb. For be, the verb to be, we'll use was not or weren't, depending on the subject. And after didn't, the verb is not in the past form. So she went to the gym. What would we say here? She didn't go to the gym. Well done if you got that correct. They were excited about the trip. So careful, this is the verb to be. So we don't want to use don't or didn't. We would say weren't. They weren't excited about the trip. I studied French last year. Bonjour. So how would we change this to make it negative? We want to use to take the base form of study. So the base form of studied is study. I didn't study French last year. He had a great time at the concert. Had is in the past. So what do? We change it to its base form. So had becomes have. He didn't have a great time at the concert. We watched a football match. We didn't watch a football match. Well done if you managed to get this correct. And if you wrote didn't went or didn't watch, this is a common mistake. But after didn't, we always use the base form of the verb. So well done if you got that correct. And I want you to write 3 things about what you did last weekend. Use the past simple negative, so didn't, and the base form of the verb. Pause the video, write 3 sentences, and use different verbs. And now you're back with us. I'm going to give you some example answers. I didn't go to the gym last weekend. I didn't watch TV on Saturday night. I didn't meet my friends on Sunday. So, quick reminder, didn't, we always use the base form of the verb. So I use the verbs to go, to watch, to meet, not went, watched, or met. If you want a challenge, add one more sentence with wasn't or weren't. So for example, I wasn't at home on Saturday evening. Okay, and let's finish with a quick recap of today's lesson on the past simple negative. So for most verbs, we use didn't or did not plus the base form of the verb. So we say, I didn't go. She didn't watch. They didn't play. The main verb stays in the base form after didn't. Next, we used be, and to be is different. We don't use didn't with be. Instead, we use was not or wasn't for I, he, she, or it. And we use were not or weren't for you, we, and they. So she wasn't happy. They weren't at school. A common mistake is using the past form after didn't. So we would say, I didn't went. No, I didn't go. And that is it for today's lesson. If you would like some more worksheets, more lessons, you can scan the QR code at the end of today's lesson, and you can use the link in the description to explore everything we have to offer on our Patreon page. Or you can go to allmylinks.com/simplesl21 for money off tutoring, access to worksheets, and for a limited time, we still have spaces available for our 3 months for free on Patreon. So 3 months for free on Patreon available. Use the link in the description.